This tutorial is how to download any video from any site online completely for free for Windows and Mac. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. The first step to download any video on any website or site is to click on Safari or your search engine or browser device. I'm using iPhone, but this will also work on Android, Windows, and Mac. Search bar, you want to type in the following: .com. Basically, if we click go on the bottom right hand screen here, or you can click on the website that it's suggesting. This website right here is the best free stock photo, royalty free images and videos shared by creators. As you scroll down, you have a tab right here. You can click the drop down arrow. There's trending, there's new. As you can see, these are all the new items, pictures, and photos. Just scroll up, or you can even see on the middle hand screen, you can click here and you can type in whatever picture or video that you want completely for free. Say we type in video and we type in video aerial. Basically wait for this to load. Then now, instead of clicking photos, you can click videos. And in this case, you have a list of different videos that you can download. You can go into filters, the top left hand screen. You can go to popular, and you can even go to the newest videos. Say we click on this video right here, you go to the top right hand screen, the video we would like to download, click the drop down arrow right here, and you can check your selected download size completely for free for pixels. You can see it says you sure you want to download this. We'll click download. Now you can see on the bottom left hand screen, if we click this and then we click downloads, we have successfully downloaded this video online completely for free.